Hey guys, Ray from Love Your RV. Today I'm finishing a series for a company called etrailer for some add-ons for Big Blue. So they sent me out 4 different products, and in the past couple weeks I've installed the other 3, which were the floor mats, mud flaps, and an easy assist tailgate shock. So today I am finishing up with the window visors. You can see I got 2 installed here. We got the back and the front, and they just basically clip into place very easily. Mainly I wanted these to keep the rain out. The rain sort of just fell into the truck. Also, when the window's down, there's quite a lot of wind noise, so I'm hoping that'll help. They're also tinted, so it'll help kind of keep the a little bit cooler in there. So let's go install the other side. I'll give you a look at them. They're made of a acrylic material, designed in the US, manufactured in Germany. It says right here, WeatherTech. I decided to go with WeatherTech because I was going with them for the floor mats and the mud flaps. So basically there's 2 installations to be done. The rear, which just fits up into the channel between the window and the weather stripping, and then there's at each end there's an adhesive strip to take off. The front is a little more tricky. They want you to set this on the outside on the windowsill, and then this thing you got to kind of flex it. It's kind of like a boomerang, and you want to have it about I think it's a ½ inch below, and then you carefully bend it and fit it into the window. So you got to kind of be careful of that. You don't want to bend it too hard that you snap it in half. Funny enough, the original box I got, one was busted in half, so I'm thinking maybe it was sent back and repacked and sent out again. But when I contacted etrailer, they quickly sent me out a replacement set. Start with the back first. Take off these little strips. I just run my fingers along that channel and then press forward on it. Just make sure that glue activates in there. I'll run up the window. Okay, there's the front, or back. Let's go to the front now. The front doesn't have any strips or anything. It just fits, press fits in there. Important thing is this front thing, they want you to put it on the edge of the window down here. Then they want you to flex it. Just flex that and fit it in there. About a ½ inch or so from the top, and then get the front worked in slowly. This is the tricky part. It's scary that you're gonna break something. There we go. Once you get it started, slowly get that in behind there. There. Kind of difficult to get it started. There's quite a bow on it. I keep thinking I'm going to snap it, but they want you to slowly get that all tucked in and then work along there, a little bit at a time. Yes, it's got to be a tight fit. so that it doesn't pop out. There we go. Ooh, didn't break it. And then pull forward on it so it sets in there. Now the moment of truth, I'll carefully roll the window up. The instructions finish off by saying roll the window up and down 4 or 5 times, make sure they're seated right, and then roll them up and leave them in place for about 24 hours. Just let them all set up. But I think that's going to work out well. Well, Big Blue is looking pretty sporty now. Thanks to eTrailer for providing these products to me. I'll come back and give you a review on them. I'm planning a update on the truck's review on the 20,000 mile mark. We're at pretty close to 18,000 miles now. Haven't had really any issues at all. But I'll come back and report on the truck, and at that time I'll review these 4 products I've installed: the mud flaps, the mats, floor mats, tailgate assist, and these new visors. So, till next time, Ray from LoveYourRV.com. Thanks for watching, everyone. Cheers.